In the heart of Fairbank town stood an ancient bell tower, cloaked in legends of lost souls. Every midnight, the bell would ring on its own, echoing through the town's empty streets. The townspeople whispered tales of the bell's origin, a mysterious artifact crafted by a vanished clockmaker desperate for eternal life. Intrigued, a curious historian decided to unravel its secrets and ventured up its dark, winding staircase. As he reached the top, the air grew heavy and the bell began to toll loudly, resonating with a sinister presence. The historian's screams were never heard, and only the bell's ominous chime remained, growing louder with its newfound companion.